Why is yawning so contagious? Well, that is one of the weird human behaviors that scientists are still trying to fully explain, but I'll try to explain it as best as I can. When we see someone yawning, a part of our brain called the mirror neuron system activates. This feature helps us to understand and imitate other people's actions, which makes us more likely to yawn when we see another person yawning. Other studies show that we are more likely to catch yawns because of our ability to feel and understand what others are feeling. So did you also yawn?